Yo, what is up? What is up? This is Jeff with T-Bone Racing RC, and today I'm going to show you a cool little product here. This is our shock tower to shock tower brace for the Arrma Kraton, and as you can see, it is as beefy as we could possibly make it. It's got a 3/8 thick Delrin bar squashed in between two 1/8 nylon 6 pieces. It's got nice sturdy Delrin blocks on the side here, mounted with M3. So today I'm just going to show you how to mount it. It's a pretty straightforward design, but we thought we'd just throw this up in case anybody was confused. A quick note on these is the mounting instructions, although the shock tower or the tower to tower braces will not be the same for the Arrma Outcast and Kraton, the mounting instructions are the same. So I have a Outcast brace here, and you can see it's a little bit shorter, but as you notice, the blocks are the same on the front. So same mounting instructions. And a quick note also is that this is for, take this off, the stock shock towers only. Now, you guys, we will be developing adapter kits within the next 1 to 2 months, but we need your help. Go ahead and send us a message. We'll have a couple polls out too as to what aftermarket shock towers you want to see adapters for. We have a couple in mind already, but we want to really get the community's opinion. We'll be on Arrma forums. We'll be everywhere asking your opinions. So please do help us out with that. Give us your opinion. So to mount this guy, we are just going to really quick take off these front blocks that come pre-mounted. Just unscrew the screws, and then we'll go from there. So let me do that. Alrighty, so those are off. So this long T-style, that's the rear. This is the front, and we really wanted to make this as easy as possible for you guys. So the front comes in and just snaps right in there. And that's going to be the same for the rear. So the T goes towards the top, and again, just snaps right in there. We did design it to work with most, I'm pretty sure all aftermarket wing mounts. I'm not sure on that, but that's what I'd say, maybe requiring slight modifications on your guys' part. So other than that, you're going to take the brace now, sink in the front, and then push the back here. There you go. That sits in, and then all you guys have to do is put in the M4s and then the 4 M3s. The lock nuts come back right here. Lock nuts and washers, and then for this guy, it's 4. Let me turn it around. 4 tapped M3s. They just go directly into the block. So once you get those screws mounted in, you are good to go, ready to do some bashing. Again, the value that this brings, it's going to stiffen your whole setup. Going to stop you from bending those shock towers, bending the chassis, bulkheads. We've had our bulkheads last almost twice as long now from different snaps, and the rigidity you retain for big jumps or cartwheels is insane. So it's definitely worth it, and that installation is, like I said, really easy, and the same for the Arrma Outcast as well. So if you guys have any questions or want to see different products from us, go ahead and get in the comments. Leave us a like if you want. Other than that, we'll catch you next time. Thanks.